All right. Hello, intrepid students. I'm going to show you a demo of using paper towel to help you create clouds. Now, you would have seen this video in class in our Gordon Mackenzie video, but I'm doing a version of it. All right, first take some paper towel, nice length of paper towel. There's 3 or 4 sheets, and you're going to twist, 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 twist. You're making a rope out of this. You can see it getting tighter and tighter as I twist it. All right, once it's nice and tight, you're going to put it down, get your next prep. It'll unravel slightly, but not too much. I have 2 of them I've done, so I'm ready to go. Got a paper here. It's a Strathmore watercolor block. Describe blocks before they are covered with, at the edges with a glue, so they're all glued together. This is an older block, and so it got ruined by the sizing being gone, and I maybe will point it out at the end. You don't get even coverage, so you cannot hoard watercolor paper. All right, so I took a fresh wash, I put it all the way over. I'm checking for any dry spots, getting that side angle. And the block really helps to glue it down, and it helps it so it doesn't cockle as much. It will cockle, you know, that rising up. So for the sky, I've mixed up 2 colors. I have in here a Payne's Gray, and this thing that's a sky blue. That's dried paint I reconstituted. Can't remember who makes it. And they've mingled a bit, so I'm getting that kind of dirty blue, what you might see on a day when it's really dark. All right, I just tested, again, my sky blue. I'm just going to put it on here in a very messy wash. Can everybody see how wet this is? This is, you can see by how it's flowing. I tried one of these earlier, and I realized I had to make it darker because you couldn't see it on the video screen. I think it came out the best in terms of these, but you couldn't see it. So now I'm just going to add some darks to that. I'm dipping my brush into some darks, gonna float some blacks, some of that Payne's Gray that may or may not have black in it, or part of a burnt umber. All right, so you can see I have a nice variegated wash. Hopefully you can see it. Maybe I have to make it even darker. Half of this paint's coming off anyway. All right. I collect a little bit of that paint at the edge. All right, paper towel time. I could, if this is a phthalo product, wait for it to sink into the paper a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some indication of what we have now, where the lights would be. So I took my paper towel, or rolled it up, made it nice and scrunchy. Look at how it picks up that color really beautifully. I'm always looking for a new spot of my paper towel. So with this technique, you get some nice soft edges and some hard edges. Now here's my second paper towel. You can see where it's cockling and all running into there. I can control that by creating yet another cloud in there. But I've got some nice variegation here. Hopefully you can see it. Some still darks along here. Anyway, if you can ever see that video, if I ever see you again and we meet in a class. I'll show you the video. He's got some fabulous demos. So there we have some clouds. Like anything else, the more you're going to practice with this, the better you can get. I could also, because it's still so wet, I can even drop in a little more color for a little more drama at these edges. And you can see how wet it is, that the paint is still moving. I could put some nice darks in here. Maybe it's a little sunnier up there. Anyway, quick and easy video. Our next, assignment's going to be the landscape. And if you wanted to include clouds, here's a good indication. And all of this is going to even blend more. All right, good luck on your clouds.